Hello everyone, welcome back to your Illuminate Pages. Today we are delving into the world of financial wisdom with Rich Dad and Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Get ready to uncover the secrets to building wealth and achieving financial independence. Lesson 1: The Story of Two Dads. In Rich Dad and Poor Dad, Kiyosaki shared contrasting financial philosophies of his two fathers. His poor dad represents traditional views on money, while his rich dad offers unconventional wisdom that leads to financial success. Lesson 2: The Mindset Divide. Kiyosaki explores how the mindset of the rich dad focused on financial education and entrepreneurship contrasts with the scarcity mindset of the poor dad, centered on job security and traditional education. Lesson 4: Embracing Risk and Failure. The rich dad encourages embracing risk and learning from failure as essential step towards financial growth and success, whereas the poor dad advises playing it safe, avoiding risk. Lesson 5: Assets and Liabilities. Rich dad and poor dad distinguishes between assets and liabilities. Assets put money into your pocket, while liabilities take money out. Understanding this distinction is a key to building a solid financial foundation. Lesson 6: The Power of Passive Income. Kiyosaki discusses the power of passive income. Generating income from sources that require minimal effort allows you to achieve financial freedom and life on your own terms. Lesson 7: Overcoming Fear and Doubt. Rich Dad and Poor Dad challenges readers to confront their fears and doubts about money, encouraging a mindset shift towards abundance and possibility. Lesson 8: Taking Control of Your Financial Future. Ultimately, the book empowers readers to take control of their financial future by adopting the principles and mindset of the rich dad, regardless of their background or current financial situation. Lesson 9: Embracing Entrepreneurship. Rich Dad and Poor Dad encourage entrepreneurship by taking calculated risks, pursuing opportunities, and thinking outside the box. Create wealth and create a legacy for future generations. There you have it. Key insights from Rich Dad and Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. By adopting the mindset and principles outlined in this book, you can take control of your financial destiny and build a life of abundance and freedom. For joining us today on your Illuminate Pages. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that bell icon for the notification and subscribe for more educational content. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing and building your wealth. Signing off, Maheshwari.